Next up is setting up your gallery. So you have global gallery settings that you can across all of your galleries. You can also come in and change them on the individual gallery level. But I like to have these set up in terms of like, okay, my expiration date on all of my galleries, it never expires. The reason being for me is I like for them to come back and actually buy more products. So I've had clients come back after 3 years, 4 years and buy additional products from me. So that's why I like that. But if you have a set amount, you can come in here and change that. Your watermark, we definitely recommend you have a watermark, especially if you're not selling all of the images in your package. So I actually like to have a grid watermark. We do actually provide that for you on an article. So if you have, just ask customer support if you can't find it. So we use the simple grid watermark for now. So I like that one. Does enough. It's not too harsh where, the images are blurred, but, it's still enough. There's an example for you. Okay. And then you have to come in here and edit your product settings. So with Picsello, we've partnered with White House Custom Color to really help you come and sell more product. And so you have prints, custom albums, wall art, greeting cards. What you'll see in here is the albums, wall art, greeting cards. The markup is pretty simple. You can choose 200%, 300%, 1000%. But just remember your clients are doing the ordering. I mean, it isn't in-person sales, but if you want to, you can come in here and put whatever percentage you want. If you actually don't want to sell product and you want to offer sort of the in-person sales through your galleries, you can come in disable to sell. So the prints, the reason being the markup for the albums and the wall art and the greeting cards they have multiple variations, and I think people would go insane if we did individual prices per those. But what you'll see for the print pricing is you have the photo prints, which are the professional level prints. Then you have the fine art prints, which are the cardstock, beautiful prints. So you can come in here and you can choose your final price. On each of these, there are some variations of the deep matte, Fuji pearl, lustre. What I recommend is you have to sort of go between, is it a percentage markup or is it a final price? We've found that your clients, it's actually nicer to have like $25, $35 on a pricing list for these fine art prints. So it takes a few minutes. I can come in here and change it. $25 for 5x5. Again, what you'll see here is the base cost. This is what White House Custom Color charges, and you end up getting the difference between that. Picsello takes nothing. So just wanted to reiterate that. I like the pricing. I think it fits with my brand. So I'm just going to come in here and leave it. But if you want to come in and edit it, you can. And we'll move on to digital pricing. So here you can adjust on a per digital or buy them all. So anytime you do a package, these will pop up. Again, you can tailor it based on what your package is. So I tend to just leave it $50. A lot of photographers charge more than that, $150, but just for it, I can come in and change that on the per pack pricing. But on a global level, I will set it up against